Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you something that is really interesting, and that is this drop down. So if you look at this drop down, then if I just try to right click on it, it gets collapsed again, right? So let me show you the item DROM structure. So if I look at this, then you can see we get a SVG. Now if I click on this, you'll see that it's add this div, right? This div CSS VNPRG8 menu, right? And once I click on this, it's hidden again, right? We cannot find that DROM elements anymore. And this is really interesting problem because you cannot get that item list like this drop down without finding their selector, right? So how can we do this, or how can we find this element or this element? And that's the main topic on this video. So I have a code in this section that does kind of exactly same thing. So let me just run that and I'll show you in a moment. So it's opening this browser, right? Chrome browser, and then you can see it. Click on that item. Let me just make it a little bit smaller then. I think this one, yeah. So let's see. Let me click on this element again. And you can see once I click, then this pop-ups, right? We have that drop down. Now what we can do, we can use driver.page source to save all of this HTML into a specific text file. You can see that write string to text file. I have a sharp that save that page source HTML into a HTML file. And once we get that HTML file, then we can find a lot of other stuff. And let me show you that test.html file real quick. And here is the test.html file. Now you can search for that class, and that is this one. You can see, and this is that item ones. You can see this item, that's the first item, this is the second item. So once you get that CSS, then we can find the correct selector for that particular item. So that's it for this video. If you like my content, consider subscribing. Have a good day.